Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a pre-owned 2017 BMW 740e Hybrid. This one's black. Under the hood is a 2-liter twin turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 295 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch alloy wheels. Tires are in great condition. It's got a black interior, panoramic sunroof. Come around back here. It is an xDrive, meaning all-wheel drive. 740e badging. Power liftgate. Fresh set of floor mats. Come around back here. Very spacious back seat here. Got some climate controls. Coming around front here. Got a wood trim, Harman Kardon sound system, power windows, memory seats, power seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, rear view camera, navigation, dual climate controls, heated and ventilated seats, automatic transmission. This vehicle has only 14,290 miles on it. If you'd like to view more photos, check out feldmanimports.com.